Hi, I'm Brian. I'm a business owner and engineer. Reviewing AutoCAD, I would give it a 5 out of 5. For more reviews, please click below. As far as AutoCAD goes, there's really no free or cheaper alternatives out there that can even compare. The premium programs, the paid programs, they all kind of have different environments to them, but AutoCAD is the industry standard. Now, the main reasons for using AutoCAD are just going to be ergonomics and user interface. It's very intuitive and it just feels automatic. It's native and organic. With a little bit of training and experience, what you're trying to do just comes naturally in AutoCAD. Now, in terms of education, in high school, in drafting CAD class, they start you off on AutoCAD, and pretty much throughout college and university, that's still the industry standard. There are other programs that they will teach you, but you will always have CAD as a underlying program to use for what you're trying to do. If you're not sure or questioning what your options are, I highly suggest you go with AutoCAD. There's a very helpful help menu within the actual program itself and tool tips and that thing. Plus, you can find countless YouTube documentaries and tutorials out there. There's an abundance of resources on how to get up to speed, and it's once you get to that point, that learning curve really accelerates, and it's to your advantage.